Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is going to be about my experience with the Magic TV antenna tuner and Magic TV app 6 months later. If you haven't seen my first video, I did a couple videos a few months back in 2018, and I was showing you guys how to get free HD TV for life on your smartphones and your tablets, your iPads, and your iPhones using this gadget and this antenna. Now, according to the video or according to the instructions, it says that for the antenna to be near a window. But I've collected over 16 to 20 plus channels of local TV, live HD TV, and based on my experience, it's been pretty good so far. I've been able to watch college basketball on Stadium Channel. I've been able to get sci-fi. I've been able to get Escape and Scandal and CBS and things and that sort. So I'm just going to go ahead and go around the application again and the setup. So it's the same setup. I have this on a Sony phone. It's the same setup as usual. You just go to the network. You have your Wi-Fi turned on, and you have to connect to the TZUMI TV access. You get that. Once you get that, you turn it on. It's connected. You go back. You go to the application, and you'll get that notification. Let me see. Let me scroll up and find the app. You go to Magic TV app. It's going to say next. You hit the next, and once you're connected, you're going to start finding channels. Now I'm going to turn it down. I don't want to get no copyright infringement or anything like that. So let me see. Alright, let's see. Let me go here. Move the antenna around. Let's see. We go. Okay. Now once you find it, you can start watching TV. Boom. I got free TV without internet or data. All you have to do is turn on your Wi-Fi connection, turn on this device, connect it to your smartphone or tablet, and you got free TV. If you want to see more, let's go back. Let's go find another channel. Let's go to that sports channel I was telling you guys about, Stadium. Let's see if we can get that college game going real quick. So all this it's just a one-time fee with the device. One-time fee. Right now we got Duke and Florida State playing. So let's see if we can get some action, get into that action. And yeah. And also it's some cool, neat features. You got the, it show you the ratio 16:9, which is the Sony Xperia. And then my bad, y'all. Dang, my bad. Hold on. Alright. Alright, let's see. Yes. Alright. Oh, it's okay. I see what it's doing. It's trying to connect to. Alright, so I gotta reconnect. Alright, so I gotta reconnect. Okay, there we go. Alright. We back in it. My fault, y'all. Alright, so we can go check out the stadium. Let's see if we can watch that college game real quick. So yeah, as you can see, I'm getting free sports and everything like that. So yeah, guys, this app and device actually still works. I got it from Walmart. Originally got it from Walmart. They had it on clearance for like $13.88. I kid you not. I can put the links in the description box. But unfortunately, Walmart's not selling this, so you have to go to eBay, go to a seller, and go to eBay and get it. Fortunately, Magic TV or TZUMI, they're not making any more products like this, but I wish they did, because it's very useful. Like I said, you don't need data. You just need an antenna, which is this thing. Put it by a window or put it somewhere where you can get a connection, and you got free sports or free news, your local TV, movies, and favorite TV shows. So yeah, guys, 6 months later, I say this is still a good device. It's still working for me. As you can see, I have one of my latest devices, Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. It's 16:9 ratio, it's not 18:9, so it will look funny on an 18:9 ratio smartphone. Just keep that in mind. So you have an old device, and this is on Android Oreo, so it still works great on Android Oreo, but just keep that in mind that you will have a little more space on the screen So it just depends on your situation in hand. But I still recommend this device if you can find one. And yeah, there we have it. Free TV on your smartphone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. All right, it's your boy Two Phones. I'm out.